and today we're gonna open another My Little Pony Play-Doh again. Last time it was Rainbow Dash. Today is a Play-Doh. Okay, it's a My Little Pony, and you can make any of these characters. You can make Twilight, Rainbow Dash, or I don't know what. This is Rarity. This is Pinkie Pie. You can make all of them. There's the...
What happened to your voice?
And here are the tools you need for. And here's the back of the box. And there are 9 Play-Dohs. And
Okay, let's open it.
a Play-Doh pack and another Play-Doh pack.
Okay, look at the pack. How many colors are there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why there's 2 blue?
Okay, in this plastic bag, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 colors.
4.
And on that plastic bag, there are only 3. Because the plastic cans are larger than this one. You use the scissor.
Yeah. Oh, instructions. I didn't know there's instructions.
Okay, we have here the
So many
instructions.
colors. They are out the box.
Okay, so we have here, what's the name? Princess Cadence. And then we have Twilight Sparkle.
Ooh.
And Fluttershy, the yellow one. And we have Pinkie Pie, the pink one. We have Rarity. Then we have Applejack.
Applejack is my favorite.
And Princess Celestia is the white one. And we also have Rainbow Dash. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here, there are only, how many pony do we have here in this box? So those are the Play-Dohs. What are the colors? Okay, what are the colors of the Play-Doh? We have purple, 2 purples, 2 pink, 2 greens. We have green, white, and orange. Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, in this box we have on that box we have the little pony. Who is that?
It's, oh look. Just look at that.
Maybe it's Applejack. A Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash is color blue.
It's Princess Luna and Princess Cadence.
That is Rainbow Dash, the blue one.
No, he don't have any horn.
Then this is Applejack, the yellow one. This is
No!
Pinkie Pie.
He don't have any horn. Look, he don't have any horn.
So maybe this is Fluttershy. So what is
No.
that? Okay, we will use that one. And the other stuffs, what have you got there?
Marks. And there's
Those are the...
and there's more in the back.
Okay, you can make marks there.
Ooh.
Here, there's rainbow, flowers, heart shape,
Pinkie Pie and
butterfly.
Applejack.
That is...
Pinkie Pie and
The white one is Princess Celestia. Or Rarity. It may be Rarity.
Look at that. Look at that. There's two of them.
Okay, we have here markers. So you can make beautiful shapes. So we have here 4 ponies.
Another.
We have 4 ponies here. What is that? That is a knife.
No.
And we have Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie is the best.
Pinkie Pie. You can open a Pinkie Pie.
And you can put this in like
Okay,
that.
you show them.
Like that. And then you put the Play-Doh in this side. Or you want this side. Just put it this or that. And then you will close it. And if you open it, it turns to a pony.
Okay, let's...
I just watched this in YouTube.
You watch it so you know how?
Yes.
Okay, so you put on clay. Let's put in clay.
First purple, I think.
For Pinkie Pie.
It's pink. Pink.
Okay, let's have the pink one.
Pink.
Okay, let me open it.
Now there we go. I got this in rainbow dash.
It looks like a mushy delicious marshmallow.
Oh, this is light pink. It's dark pink.
This is dark pink. That is light pink. Okay, you cannot eat it?
Nope, because you will die forever.
Okay, but it looks mushy.
Mush.
Marshmallow
Mush.
mushy.
Mush.
Okay, put in some clay.
I want to put light. What color is it? Light pink, dark pink. I think. Oh, light pink. I'm gonna use light pink for her skin. Light pink for her skin. Okay.
Okay, you're gonna mush.
Mush. Am I a cow or not?
You're gonna mushy the clay.
Put more. Put that. Oh no, my hands are play-doh. Oops, one down.
And then what will happen? Okay, the hair.
I don't know how to make the hair, but we just watch.
Here we have. What's the name of the orange?
I'm making this. It's so excited how this looks like. Okay, I'm gonna put some pony. Which one will you pick, guys?
Okay, I want the purple one.
Okay, let's put purple.
What's in?
Oh, it's Pinkie Pie. What can I bet? Okay.
Or the white one. You can have the white one.
Yes.
White one is Princess Celestia or Rarity.
No, the color is just. Oops. And we can make her cutie mark just right here underneath.
Okay, underneath
Please.
we have here cutie marks, rainbow dash and butterfly. Here it's sun.
Not
It's
working.
diamond. And this star shape, and we have here the sun, and I don't know what this is. It's maybe
Squish this toy. Squish. I squish it too hard.
okay. What happened?
Oops. Get out of here.
Okay, in this marker, you can make the rainbow, some flowers, butterflies.
Not come out. Nothing come out.
You use the knife to get the clay, the play-doh.
I just don't know how to get this out. Hey, there we go. Wait, out the... Okay. Oh no, I'm so scared that her head falls. Okay. No. It's gonna
You
get
use the knife.
here. I'm scared. The knife looks like real. Okay, it's out. And then
And
we're gonna put that there, so it's gonna be stand now. Oh, I just get it wrong. It is wrong. You have to put Play-Doh in here too. I did it wrong because I forgot it. Let's have light pink.
you use the light pink first,
Okay.
so they will have the same color.
Okay.
Okay, use the knife. There's a knife here.
So hard. I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm so excited. Oops. It's just roll. Roll. Don't put it easy. Over. Okay. Now she's turned to a pony now. Okay.
You have to flatten it out.
Flat. Have more.
So you need a lot of play-dohs. You need a lot of clay.
Yes. I got a clay.
Because the space is very large. It's very wide.
Okay. Then
Okay, let's
put
try it. If it works.
that right.
I thought you saw it on YouTube already.
I just forgot that how to do it.
Okay, then
My dress. Squishy side. Squishy
careful, the glass will be broken.
Oh, just wait. There's a bit of piece here. Get that out. Put that here. Let's see. I have it.
Okay, let's see what you've got.
Like that. I wait. 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 Okay. What's the scissors? She turned
Wow, it looks so nice.
Wow, let's get it out. I want to see it.
Okay, you get it out.
And after that, we're going to make her cutie mark. Right just over here. Get it out. You have to careful get it out because it's going to be broke. Just going to slowly. Slowly. So hard. Let's make this fork.
That's not a fork, that's a knife.
Yeah.
Okay, can you get it?
It's out, it's out. Now it's out.
Okay, let's look. So there goes our pony.
Let's put a little bit in here. Oh, nothing.
There's the pony.
Yes.
Okay. There's no tail. So you have to decorate it.
Yes, I can.
You have to make the tail.
Hi.
And then we're going to make marks here. Okay, you make a cutie mark with the
Wait.
with the dark color play-doh.
Okay, what's color?
The dark color.
We need color blue, yellow, blue. I mean, I don't know it. Green or blue. What we're gonna choose? Blue or green? Maybe
Okay, you can have any color you want.
green is the best.
Okay, you do it now.
Of course, too. We need. Oops. I just get this a little bit of Play-Doh here. Let's put that in.